Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to bypass parental controls, how to bypass family link on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S device. So at first you need to open Settings application. Then scroll down, click Google, manage your Google account. Click Get Started, choose Data and Privacy, scroll down, choose Delete your Google account, and confirm your password. But not afraid, we will delete our account now, but we can recover it during 14 days. And we will recover it in this video. So confirm your password. Click Next. Scroll down, click I understand. Scroll down again, click Yes and Yes, and choose Delete account. Native English, I'm so sorry. So that's all. As you can see, all my applications were successfully unlocked in my NUBIA Red Magic 5S device, and now we can start the recovering of Google account operation. So open Play Store, click Sign In, enter email, click Next, and you will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So click Next, confirm your password, and log in into your account again. Maybe just by clicking on Accept button. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Google account was successfully recovered and Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. We can remove Family Link application. All my apps are successfully unlocked and it's really working. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, write comments under this video, and bye. See you.